Hello po! Welcome back to my channel at ako po ulit si Mami Joylyn at i-continue po natin yung previous video na ginawa ko. So, ito yung video number 2 kung paano gumawa or paano magpa-grow ng Facebook page sa 2024. So, ito yung ginawa kong notes. Medyo mahaba kasi ito kaya sinasummarize ko na lang kasi paulit-ulit din naman po yung tips and tricks na nakalagay. So, ito na yun. Summarize ko po siya into 3. So, how to grow a Facebook page organically in 2024. So, growing a Facebook page in 2024 requires a strategic approach that focuses on creating high-quality content, engaging with your audience, and leveraging the platform's features. So, ito yung breakdown ng steps na gagawin natin or ifa-follow natin. So, itong tatlo, iti-test natin to kung effective po ba siya na talagang makakapagpa-grow ng Facebook page. So, una po is content is king and queen. So, ito yun, post consistently. Aim for 2 to 3 high-quality posts per week. So, ito naman is variety is key. So, mix up your content types, images, videos, live streams, polls, questions, blog post. So, dapat mas okay talaga yung paiba-iba, hindi yung puro images na lang o kaya text na lang, ganun. So, mas okay yung variety. And then, inform, educate, entertain. So, provide value to your audience. Inform them about your industry. Educate them with tips and tricks, or entertain them with humor or lighthearted content. So, in short, gagawa po tayo ng content calendar. So, yun sa akin, may ginawa na akong content calendar. Ito yun. So, it is divided into 5 columns. Meron tayong day 1, 2, 3, up until 30. Tapos, post type, content idea, caption, para hindi ko na kailangan mag-isip, nilagay ko na yun captions po dyan. At saka call to actions. So, ito yun. Day 1 up until 30. Yung nakasuggest po dito is, 2 to 3 high quality post per week. Pero ang ginawa ko, parang daily post po siya. Pero depende na rin. Pipili lang ako at least 3 sa content calendar dito. And then, kung mapapansin mo, yung post type niya, nakalagay dito mix up your contents, images, videos, live streams, polls, questions, or blog posts. So, magkaiba talaga siya. So, mapapansin mo, ayan, post type, image, video, testimonial, skincare, quiz, carousel, live Q&A, user-generated content, myth versus fact, infographic, customer appreciation, poll, video tutorial, Fun Fact Friday, customer story, humorous meme, partner post, it's optional, behind the scenes, self-care Sunday, Facebook Live, shopping event, testimonial Thursday, skincare routine guide, ask me anything. So, ito po yung description ito. Baga, you can ask me anything about collago remover, ganun. Tapos, weekend ball, educational post, tas Fun Fact Friday contest, appreciation post, and flash sale. So, ito yun, mag-host ka ng 1 day na flash sale on collago remover para, ma-excite sila. Tas, syempre, para ma-boost yung sales. Diba? Yun naman yung main purpose kung bakit natin pinapa-grow yung Facebook page na to, itong test page natin, which is this one. Warts remover, gamot sa collago skin tags, warts. So, ang main purpose dito na ipag-grow ay para dumami yung sales. So, ito sa captions, may mga ginawa na ako dyan. Tapos, call to actions, syempre. So, that is for number 1. Number 2 is know your audience, demographics, and interest. So, use Facebook Insights to understand who your audience. Alamin mo yung age, location, interest. So, punta ka sa Facebook page mo. Ito yun. Tapos, punta ka sa Insights. Ito, makikita mo yung post engagement, reach. Ito. Ayan, may isang page like for the last 28 days. Kasi inactive tong page na to, hindi ganun ka dami yung pinapost. dito mo naman makikita yung audiences mo. So, nasa 2,000 na yung Facebook followers. Tapos, age and gender natin, yung men is 36.50%, women is 63.50%. So, yung age naman nila is, kung mapapansin mo, ito yun malaki yung age dito. Ito yung mga taong nagpa-follow sa page mo or nag-i-interact. So, nasa 25 to 34, pinakamarami babae. Tapos, ito naman, 35 to 44, babae pa rin yung pinakamarami. Pero hindi naman masyadong malayong gap, diba, sa mga lalaki. Ito yung mga audiences mo. So, bali yung content na gagawin mo, yung images, yung videos, or yung text post, dapat mag-resonate po sa mga audience na or sa mga followers ng page natin. So, balik po dito. Tailor your content. Ito na nga. Create content that resonates with your audience's needs and interests. Respond to comments and messages. Show your audience you care by engaging in conversation. O syempre, dapat mag-reply talaga, di ba? Kasi nga, magme-message sa'yo kung para saan ba to, ganyan. Dapat magre-reply pa tayo. And then, the last one is optimize your page. Compelling profile picture and cover photo. Use high-quality visuals that reflect your brand identity. So, ito naman, balik po tayo sa homepage ng page natin. So, ito yun. Click natin. So, meron na tayong banner at may profile picture. So, yung profile picture dito is, ang nakalagay ko, logo, skin tags. So, ito po yung mga gagamutin gamit yung logo remover na product. So, yan yung nilagay ko na profile picture dito. But you can actually put your product picture here directly naman. Pwede din po yan. Pero sa akin, I choose it. So, nakadepende po yan sa inyo kung ano yung mas prefer po ninyo. And then, clear and concise description. Tell visitors who you are and what you offer. So, dito po yan makikita sa description. And dito po, intro. Diba? So, we sell original warts remover, gamot sa kulugo, skin tags, warts. Marami na natulungan sa organic na gamot sa warts na ito, shipped directly from the manufacturer. Tapos, may mga hashtags para mas mabilis hanapin po yung page. And then, call to action. Prompts visitors to like, follow, or visit your website. Dito na po yun. Meron tayong call to action sa content calendar natin. So, ito na po yun. Call to action. So, ito yung sample na yan Encourage viewers to share their own own experiences in the comments. Mention kulgo remover as part of a preventive routine. So, ito yung mga call to action natin. So, that's it for today's video. So, for next video na upload ko po, ang gagawin natin is itong content calendar. Kasi dito talaga nakafocus yung mga contents. Yun yung importante talaga. So, salamat po sa panunood at abangan mo yung next upload ko. Please like and share. Thank you.